To add a button to your web page, locate the button widget. Hold it down and drag it onto the web page. A blue line will appear where the button will be placed. Once the button has been placed, the button settings window will then be displayed. Here you will be able to change the text on the button. Add a second line of text. Add an icon. And link the button to a page inside of your website. To change the button styling, click on the button until the top menu appears above it. Then click on the paintbrush icon. In the styling window, you will be able to change the color of the button, the text style, add a shadow, change the padding size, the border radius, and the border size. You will also be able to change the hover color when your website visitor's cursor hovers over the button. Once you have made the necessary changes, then click Save.